purpose of this video is to go over question 57 on the Chapter 3 review exercise. So if we go to plug in x equals 0, we get 0 divided by 0, which tells us this is a L'Hopital rule problem. So if I go, the limit is x goes to 0 of x squared e to the x over sine squared 5x. If I plug that in, I get 0 over 0, which tells me I can apply L'Hopital's rule. L'Hopital's rule is the derivative, the limit is x equals 0, something in the form 0 over 0. I can take the derivative of the top and the derivative of the bottom. So I have 2x e to the x divided by 2 sine of 5x times cosine of 5x times 5. So here we have a chain rule, derivative of the outside evaluated at the inside times the derivative of the inside. So if I plug in x goes 0 again, I still get 0 over 0. So I can apply L'Hopital's rule again, and I get the limit as x goes to 0 of 2 e to the x. And here this is a little tricky because there's quite a bit going on here. I could write this as 10 sine of 5x times cosine of 5x. So now I have to apply the product rule. Derivative of the first function, hold the second one, so forth. So I'm going to have 10. Derivative of sine is cosine, so I have cosine of 5x times 5, hold cosine of 5x, plus 10 sine of 5x, takes the derivative of cosine, which is minus sine of 5x times 5. Now if I plug in x goes to 0, I get a 2 on the top, and on bottom I get $10 times 5, right? So I get 50. If I plug in cosine of 0, that's 1, right? Sine of 0 is 0, so it doesn't matter there. So I have 10 times 5, which is 50, which would be the same as 1 over 25. So 1 over 25 is the answer there.